Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Yeah, today I'm going to do something very ordinary and very common. That is something that we always do now and then, or every day of our life. That is unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing for my baby's radio. I bought a radio from the website from My Toys. That is here in Germany. There's this online shop called My Toys. I decided to buy my baby a radio, and I can't wait to see exactly what is inside, or how it is, or how it's functioning. So in the first place is that my baby is usually she needs music. She needs music a lot to sleep. Yeah, that's I realized, or I noticed that she is really interested in music, or also it makes her calm down, and that's why I bought this radio to put for her favorite, or the music that will make her calm down and go to sleep very quickly. So the radio came into this carton here. I already opened it up, but the main unboxing, I haven't done anything, and that is here. As soon as I saw this, and I said I'm going to do the video, and that's why I didn't go further. So here is the main radio carton. It's in pink. My baby is a girl, and oh, ta-da! There we go. It's called Kids Bigben. Kids Bigben. There we go. As I see in the carton being at the radio, and there's some stickers, because I really wanted. I saw this and I said I'm gonna buy this because I want to make it like childlike radio, not just plain, but a little bit of decorations. And the stickers yeah, let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is how the carton looks like. Oh, what's here? Just some details. 6 Bigben CD player mit radio. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to open up the carton. There's some also in this carton. As you see, it's a radio. I put it to the side first. In this carton, as you can see, there are also some stuff. I think this is the receipt. This is delivery sheet, or ritual shine. First of all, you go to the envelope. There's an envelope here, and it's about the information to my order. So I ordered this, and there's the information to my order. And you see, oh, as usual, it's about an advert, and also coupon, it's all about coupons, so that you can buy more viewers, and another coupon. Okay, all this, it's all about adverts. No problem, I'll check that one later, but let's do the main unboxing. And I normally don't like damaging the cartons or the packages, because you might find a defect, or you might not like the product, and you will have to refund it. So I prefer opening everything carefully, and also guarantees. Even when the product or the item gets damaged, or the electronics gets damaged, you most probably will have to refund it or pack it again, so I don't destroy any packaging. So here is the review. I'm just going to pull it out, and here it's well packaged. Just take them out, and take them out. I'm just going to put them at the side, and here is the radio. Looks good, looks small, and it's okay. It's okay for a baby. Maybe it's even bigger for a baby, but it's fine. And I think the color is good. I like pink, because I do not have so many pink things for my baby, and she's a girl, so I thought the radio will be great in pink. Wow, and here it is. You see that? Looks so cool. Looks so cool. It's from the company called Bigben. It's called Bigben, I think. I think it's cute. I'm just going to try it out if it's going to function well. Yeah. Oh, and here we go. Oh, I don't want to damage. I just have to pull it that way. The aerial. Okay. Oh, it can go upwards. And shoo, ta-la! Although I don't really need this at the moment because I'm just going to use this one mostly for the CD player. And the place to do that, I think I'm gonna have to look for the cable because I have no cable yet. All inside here. So I'm just going to opla. Oh, here we go. The cable was inside. Actually, there are two cables. I can't even tell you. This small cable here. For what is this one? I put it there, and then where do I connect the other part? Okay, the small cable here it is. You know, sometimes I like going direct to product, and I'm gonna have to check the manual. There we go. We have this cable. I can't tell you what it is for, but at least I know this one. This cable here, of course, everybody knows for what it is, but and try this one. So I connect that one this way. This is how I don't need to read a lot of manual or something like that, of which, let me see if they have the manual. Oh, yes, here's the manual. The Bigben radio. It's a Bigben radio. Bigben radio. This one I just put it to the side. Everything to the side. And there we go. Yes. Oh, let me see. Oh, look at the stickers. Here is one of the stickers. Here's the manual. They were all packed together. And here are the stickers. And look how cute they are. I mean, you can use this one for both boys and girls. There are so many different stickers. So many different stickers. I think I'm gonna put for her the fairy one, the shooting star, oh, the princess. I mean, you see that? Oh, the horses, everything cute that little girls like. Oh, little girls. Of course, she's a baby, but she's going to like this one later. The ABCD thing, alphabet letters, music. Yeah, we'll see what we're going to do about that. This one and the sticker. So, guys, I'm just going to test if it's going to function. So I'm gonna have to test if it's gonna function. And we put our, see if it's functioning. Yeah, it's functioning already. And we put this one there and test if it's gonna function. So I'm just gonna put that one down there. I connected the electricity, so I just connected that, and we're just going to see if it's going to function. I don't know if you just press it. I'm just gonna put it on. Wow! I just put it on. Oh, she's crying. Hope you guys can see. And I'm just going to press the button. There we go. As you can see, it's showing red signs here, and means that it's functioning. It's on. So it's on. To see if it's going to work, I think we have to lift this part, because here, as you can see, it's somewhere you're going to lift it, and you put your, wow, your CD. There's a dummy inside, so we take out the dummy. And since I have a CD player, I know how it's going to function. The manual, as usual, it shows you exactly what to do, but some things are just logic. Baby CD, and I'm going to just test if it's functioning. So I'm just going to unbox this one as well. So where is it? Oh, this one. There we go. So there we go. Yeah, exactly. And there you go. And we throw this one away. And I see if my baby is going to listen to music today. Today. Here we go. Baby CD, are you ready to listen to music? Yes. Ready. So I just put the CD in and it's already playing. You see? So it just loaded, I mean. So yeah, you go to play. Here's the play button. We're ready to listen to music. Good night music, good night music. Yes. Just melodies. Okay, the CD is all about melodies. She's going to sleep like a newborn today. She's definitely going to sleep like a newborn. So guys, I just hope, I'm just going to switch off this. I'm already taken away. Switch it off. And I just hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you like this video. Anyway, bye bye guys.
Nobody's perfect, I'll never try.